I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your internet browser app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down here, just keep going down here, click on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for internet browser app. Just click on search. Then here add internet app. It's going to browse. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click on force stop. Click on OK. So then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.